Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own plant-based protein powder at home. This is 100% natural, healthy, and budget-friendly. Store-bought protein powders can be expensive, and sometimes you may also be suspicious of what's inside that tub or that packet. So why not make your own? It's quite easy, and you can customize it according to your taste preferences. And today I'm going to show you my favorite recipe. Let's get started. You will need rolled oats, 1 cup, almonds or peanuts, 1/2 cup chia seeds or flax seeds, 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds, 1/4 cup dry peas or lentils, lightly roasted, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, optional. First, on a saucepan, lightly roast the oats, nuts, and seeds for about 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. Keep stirring continuously to prevent burning. This process removes moisture from the ingredients and makes them easier to grind into a powder. Once done, transfer the roasted ingredients into a blender or a grinder. Add in the cocoa powder if you're using it and grind again. The powder should be fine and smooth. If it's not, then grind it a little more. You can also add a spoonful of peanut butter or a few drops of vanilla essence for flavor. Now, transfer this powder into a bowl and mix it well. Your homemade plant-based protein powder is ready. You can store it in an airtight jar for up to 6 months. To use it, just add 2 scoops to your breakfast smoothie, shake, or even oats. It's a great way to boost your protein intake naturally. This protein powder is high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. It's a great plant-based protein option for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, people who are into weight loss, or those who simply want to stay healthy. Oats provide complex carbohydrates and fiber. Almonds and peanuts are high in protein and healthy fats. They also contain fiber and other nutrients. Chia seeds and flax seeds are excellent sources of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which our bodies convert into docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, and icosapentaenoic acid, EPA. These are important for brain health and reducing inflammation. Pumpkin and sunflower seeds add extra protein to the mix, along with iron and zinc. Dry peas and lentils are rich in protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. And cocoa powder, if used, adds antioxidants and a rich, delicious flavor. So, try this recipe at home and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such healthy recipes. See you in the next video.